Ready to dive into the battle of the titans? On one side, the Huawei Mate 70 Air flaunts a massive 7-inch LTPO OLED display with jaw-dropping 4000 nits peak brightness and Kunlun glass protection. On the other, the Motorola Edge 70 offers a slightly smaller 6.7-inch POLED screen but cranks brightness up to 4500 nits and packs Gorilla Glass 7i. Which phone delivers the better visual feast? What about raw power? Does Huawei's 12-core Kirin chipset outmatch Motorola's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4? And when it comes to cameras, battery life, or even price, who really takes the crown? Stick around because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is cutting-edge innovation worth the premium price, or does value steal the show? The Huawei Mate 70 Air's 7-inch LTPO OLED display stands out with its peak brightness of 4000 nits and advanced Kunlun glass protection, giving it an edge in outdoor visibility and durability. Meanwhile, the Motorola Edge 70's slightly smaller 6.7-inch POLED screen hits an even brighter 4500 nits peak and uses Gorilla Glass 7i, offering superior brightness for direct sunlight but with a bit less screen real estate. Huawei's quad-curved design and 2160Hz PWM dimming enhance visual smoothness and eye comfort, making its display tech a serious contender. Under the hood, Huawei's Mate 70 Air boasts a powerful 12-core Kirin 9020AB chipset with a Mali G920 GPU, delivering a balanced mix of performance and efficiency across high and mid cores. Motorola's Edge 70 counters with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, an octa-core beast featuring the Adreno 722 GPU, optimized for gaming and AI tasks. Huawei's higher core count promises smoother multitasking, but Motorola's newer Snapdragon architecture offers cutting-edge efficiency and AI enhancements. Huawei Mate 70 Air impresses with BDS satellite messaging for two-way communication even off-grid, dual Kirin chipsets for enhanced processing, and stylus support that adds productivity flair. Motorola Edge 70 counters with AI-powered battery optimization, a silicon-carbon battery for longer life, and a smart AI shortcut button, focusing on user convenience and endurance. Both pack unique perks, but Huawei's satellite messaging and stylus support push it into a niche of rugged versatility. Both phones sport a 50MP wide main camera with OIS, but Huawei's sensor is larger at 11.3 inches, promising better light capture and detail. Its telephoto lens offers 3 times optical zoom with OIS, giving it an edge in versatile shooting. Motorola matches with a 50MP ultra-wide alongside its main sensor, but lacks a dedicated telephoto lens. Huawei's camera hardware is clearly built for sharper, more flexible photography. Huawei Mate 70 Air enhances photography with laser autofocus, multispectral color sensors, and AI glare removal, elevating image quality in tricky lighting. Motorola Edge 70 leans on AI scene detection, night vision mode, and gesture shots to simplify capturing great photos. Huawei's tech-heavy approach suits enthusiasts wanting precision, while Motorola offers smart automation for casual shooters. Huawei Mate 70 Air packs a hefty 6500 mAh battery, significantly larger than Motorola Edge 70's 4800 mAh, promising longer usage between charges. This capacity advantage is critical for power users who demand all-day performance without compromise. Both phones boast IP68, IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, but Huawei Mate 70 Air supports stylus input, adding a productivity edge. Motorola Edge 70 brings MIL-STD 810H compliance, offering military-grade durability. Huawei focuses on creative functionality, Motorola on rugged reliability. Huawei offers a wider array of memory configurations, including up to 512GB storage with 16GB RAM, ideal for heavy multitaskers and storage-hungry users. Motorola's options top out at 512GB with 12GB RAM, still solid but less expansive. Huawei Mate 70 Air ranges between $590 to over $800, making it more accessible for flagship-level features. Motorola Edge 70 starts at $900, positioning itself as a premium device. Is the extra cost justified by Motorola's specs? Or does Huawei's value steal the spotlight?